A couple weeks ago, I got to attend RMRF, which is the Rocky Mountain Rep Festival. It was a ton of fun, and I got to meet a bunch of my friends in real life for the first time, and overall, it was just a really great weekend. So right when you walked into the door, you're able to see Ellie over at Cocoa Press and see her chocolate 3D printer in action, and let me tell you, that thing was freaking amazing. And then as you go down the aisles, there's just tons of different vendors. There's filament vendors. I met Vishal from Slice Circle 3D, which was awesome. I got to meet Cheesy Chains, which was amazing.
What's up, everybody? We're at the Rocky Mountain Rep Festival. Just met some really cool Tito. Here's a cheesy chain.
Thank you.
I've never received the gift of cheese before, so that was pretty cool. It was really cool to see the Prusa XL printer in action. I got to meet Courtney from Filament Stories, and she was incredibly nice. I got to see Dustin over at Print Solid, and of course I got to see the awesome races that were happening. And there's just a ton of really cool makers showcasing the different things they've 3D printed or laser cut. There's some really cool technology about safely cutting tree branches, which was awesome to see. And also just to see all the different kinds of printers that are out on the market right now. Got to see a really cool claw machine in action, which was really cool. And I got to meet my buddy Chris from Chris's Basement in real life, which is pretty awesome. There was so many borons there. That was really cool to see in action. And of course, I got to see my friend Joe, the 3D printing professor, again, which was really amazing. And one of the coolest things that I thought that was there was that they're turning plastic bottles into usable filament, and that technology honestly just kind of blew my mind. And another really cool thing that I got to see was Mitch with his 3D printing backpack. That was really cool to see. And again, just tons of borons there printing, and it was just overall a really good time. I had so much fun at this event, and I really hope there's going to be another one next year because it was seriously so much fun. And I was really sad when that event was over and I had to go home. So thank you so much, Justin and team, for putting on a really fantastic first Rocky Mountain Rep Festival, because I had a lot of fun and I know a lot of other people did too. So good job, guys.